morning, Year 2. Today in our writing, we're learning what to include in an Oreo paragraph. To be successful today, you have to be able to identify the opinion, the reason, the example, and also identify the reason that is being restated at the end of the paragraph. Let's revise. What is an argument? In a persuasive text, an argument is an opinion that is supported by reasons and examples. When we are writing a persuasive text, we need to order our arguments in a specific way to keep the reader interested. We want the audience to keep reading all the way to the end. So when we're structuring our arguments, we have to build the arguments over the entire story. So we start with our strong argument, then our medium argument, and then our strongest argument. And this helps achieve the purpose of the text, which is to persuade and change the opinion of someone and keep the reader interested all the way to the end. Here is our structure of our persuasive text, and you can see here in the middle we have the body of our story. So we start with our strong argument, which is an okay argument, a medium argument, which is better, and our strongest argument, which is the best argument of all. This helps build the tension and keep it tight all the way to our ending with impact. Remember, in our narrative text, we called this the pebble, the rock, and the boulder. This is exactly the same thing. And again, it helps to build that tension. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about Oreo paragraphs. Now, yes, it is a cookie. Here's a picture of one, but it also means opinion, reason, example, and opinion. You're going to watch this video on Oreo paragraphs. And then you're going to listen to the story about I Want a New Room, which was very similar to a story that we listened to in Year 1. I wonder if anyone can remember what that story is. This story is by Karen Kaufman Orloff. Now, in this story, Alex tried to convince his parents that he needed a new bedroom. He had many reasons why he needed it, and his parents had reasons why it wasn't going to happen. Now, your activity today, you need to think of something you desperately want. You need to try to convince your parents why it's a good idea. Think of 3 reasons why your parents should give you this, and 3 examples of why, and use the joining word because. Put them in order from strong, medium, strongest, and then upload your work to Seesaw.